Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. And I keep on telling you that. Now, people, I need you to put in that a comment section who is the real Caribbean queen. Yes. And I'm not talking about the song by the singer I don't know right now, but you could put his name in the comment section. People, what a piece of pasa. Nicki Minaj and Spice. This Foxy Brown. Yes, people. And Foxy claps back. You don't know Foxy and no push over. Yes, I say? And people, you're gonna want to stick around to the end of this. I think Nicki Minaj was effing the king of dancehall at one time. Yes. We have the pictures to prove the thesis. Also, I know a lot of y'all are not fan of Ziggy Marley based off of his marital business. You know, I'm done married Jewish white woman, and them are win all the Grammys and all of these things. But nevertheless, people, education is the key. And even though it's just a liberal arts degree, yes, Ziggy Marley graduated the other day, and we'll let you know which college and what he had to say upon receiving his thing, isn't it? Also, guess who's back in Jamaica one day after me say that them done with it and the floodgates are now open for other female dancehall artists to shine. Yes, people, no other than Shenseea. Shenseea. Yes, she's back in Jamaica, and she's showing Americans what Jamaicans do. You feel I'm saying? As you can see by the surroundings, you know where she's at. If not, stick around and I'll tell you. You feel I'm saying? But people, before we get on with people business, because that's why on a day I suffer people's business. People, me think say being a man put one pan Nicki Minaj. You see me answer, you don't know a yard man thing said, people. You feel I'm saying? And you don't know Nicki like the yard man them. And if this picture is what I think it is, you don't know the thing said. Foxy Brown, she was the hottest female rapper at that time, or one of them time there. You see me answer? We all know that she and Spragga Benson have married and them have picnic and thing together. But you know how the thing go, people. Trini friends be hooking up Trini friends with their yardmen friends. You feel I'm saying? And I think that, Foxy was like, yo, you need to start effing with Beanie Man. He's a gal, them sugar. You feel I'm saying? So people put in the comment section if you think so. Beanie Man put one pan Nicki. All right, people, let's get into it. Just like the headline says, Spice and Nicki Minaj diss Foxy Brown. You feel I'm saying? And Spice dissed her by unfollowing Foxy. As you can see, Foxy brought out Spice. During her BBB Kings performance in 2017. When Spice was trying to, get her face out there and all of them things. And Nicki Minaj also unfollowed Foxy Brown. So this led Foxy to, get her page hacked. And, some of her DMs was leaked about her talking about Spice. And we should have known something was off when, Nicki went live yesterday or Thursday, I should be exact. And, Bria said that her favorite top 3 female rappers was Foxy Brown and some other people. But when she said Foxy, you look upon Nicki face. Let's take a look. And people, trust me, we're going to get to the leaked DMs, but we have to line up the story properly, So watch Nicki facial expression with Bria saying Foxy are a top artist,
Because this is important. Who are your top 3 female MCs of all time?
Oh, okay. Top 3 female MCs of all time. And I'm not just saying this because you're right here. I'm going to say you.
Okay.
I'm going to have to say Foxy. And I like MIA because...
So, yes. Now let us get to the leak DMs with, Foxy Brown expressing her her feelings about Nicki and Spice, you see me? Okay, people, these are the leaked DMs. So we're going to start with the top left hand side of the screen. And she says she never mentioned Coco. The record the people want once, then asked nobody to remix it. Is she sick? If the king feels disrespected after riding without fail, it will be every female rapper she's disrespected. Motherfucker's been literally crying like baby for years for any music, and y'all got a massive hit and do nothing. Fuck out of here. I don't care. I've had enough. And anybody who truly knows me knows when that happens, game effing over. Should block every fake ass fraud. Disgusting. And people, these are legit DMs. You see me, I'm saying, like I said, Spice and Nicki Minaj unfollow Foxy Brown. As you can see, I have to research these things. We just can't, So I'm going to Spice IG page and I type in Foxy and I'm gonna see it. You see me, I say, and I typed in Nicki Minaj and boom, that popped up. And then I went to Nicki Minaj's following section and typed the same thing, Foxy, and nothing was available. So I had to go on to Foxy's page to see if she was following these two females. And I didn't have to type ish because she's only following 6 people. You feel me? But nevertheless, people, let's get on with the leak DMs. Yes, because that people business on the day. So you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, the alleged DM went, regardless of our differences of opinion, that Mother F class and me cough, I left that Coco-ish slide until I unleashed a new album, but speak this loud for the mother effers in the back. Never will I play with mine. Mistreated, jealous of the gorgeous fly masterpiece they can't, birth. A bitch ass and bitch ass Gavin also, they want the female Pac back. So me bad. Wait till this year. These motherfuckers, you feel what I'm saying? And she said, post about Spice. We'd had our sister differences, but she still stood tall. Basically, she said she went to war for, Nicki Minaj and Gavin and, Spice. Not really, but. And this fraud itch let live off my dancehall ish. I met this fraud bitch live off of my dancehall ish. People remember say these people can't write too good, You see me, I say. And use my verse to propel that effing album would disrespect. Tell them hip hop just got exciting again. She never called Fox, even in light of these Jay-Z's accusation the feds are trying to investigate now. People, that's allegedly, we're not talking about Jay-Z running, so you see me, as a Rock Nation of blood cloud money is it. Fraud bitch. Tell Fox first single with Spice is done. Oh, people, the world. See? Tell Spice first single is done. It was supposed to be Fox, Nicki, and Spice. So let's see that right there, so. But then it says, blank say Fox, Cardi, and Spice is murder. I will go on with that. Like I said, people, we don't know if these DMs is real or not, but we just read them out anyway. Somebody said, post this on my page. Your class speaks. Your look like somebody I respond to them, and thing. People, me not killing the reading, it was a ghost town. Now I see why the king moves the way she moves. Not one of you stood up. Not one of you spoke on the pandem of the king and the king and the king, the cheat. Okay, people. Damn, y'all know Foxy, my girl, shit. Little Kim is probably laughing right now, too, because, Nicki Minaj and Foxy Brown, they team up against Little Kim and all these things and things. You see me, I say, I know Spice Night or Rascal. People putting out the comment section what you think. So, like I said, Ziggy Marley, graduate from God McEvers College, you know, the one in New York. You feel I'm saying? It's a liberal arts college. So let's take a listen to what he has to say.
To me, freedom is love. Love for all. Love is the root. Without love, I cannot be free. And ultimately, that is the dream. It may not be the American dream, but it is my dream. None but ourselves can free our minds.
People, me tell you, say Shenseea love me and she watch me faithfully. Just after one day, me say Shenseea done with Jamaica for take on the world, and this leaves the floodgates open for other dancehall female artists to shine. Shenseea is back in Jamaica again. You feel I'm saying? Yes, and she's doing that because, you know, she got an album to promote, and she also has the world to show her home. So let's take a look. You feel I'm saying?
Good with the walking still now.
Mommy, I'm about to pass out. Hello. Oh my God.
Take time, Raj, my job. Let's go put here. This water is so hot. Like hot, hot. No, not you. Yeah, cartoon now.
Put your right hand around.
Water hot, brother. Pussy class.
Your right hand around.
Burn off. What going, Raj? Yeah, man, what's up your ear, man? Everything.
Oh, yeah, you're going to get wet up too, you know?
Yeah. I should over the starting. I should over the starting. I like the money. Roger, I live life.
Yeah, I can't take the beat up on my leg. The man touch too rough. You go pain up the whole of my body right now. I'm not used to it.
Whoa. Whoa, that thing is big.
You're comfortably, you just spread out, sir.
I enjoy the touch a long time when I get one.
Oh,
Long time when I get a little touch. Rub me down.
rock me down.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, the water on me.
Yeah, I should have going night so I'm not going to catch this from my phone.
Hot, daddy. Yo, how the fuck the water is so hot out of them rock here? I don't know. Still.
I can have
Hot,
two.
hot,
Can I
hot.
have two?
Hot water. I like the hot water. What you saying about me, Jenna?
Eucalyptus, wintergreen, book.
Rub him down happy. Rub him. Rub him down. Skin your teeth, cause it's sweet.
Come to Jamaica for an experience.
cool off. What bad mind is so?
You can't be them look so.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Don't hold me down. Shock up on the hillside, man. Tear it up. Oi, 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 oi. Trouble. Wet. Clad. Man slide that on a landslide. People don't come on mineral bars. Don't come as Jamaica, you saw them.
Outside.
Promote our own place. But promote our own place. Ring it out. Ring it up.
Daddy and go low a while ago and I know you enjoy like over there, no man.
Clean skin. So much.
We're gonna make some.
Trouble.
Buddy, you're afraid. Wash off, man.
He's a pretty fucking girl, you know. You're upsetting, you know. I tell you.
Shenseea.
You don't even want to
Yeah, people, so I was just giving that update with Shenseea, Ziggy, Spice, Nicki Minaj, and Foxy Brown. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you subscribe to the channel, make sure your notification bell is on because YouTube is unnotifying you. I feel I'm saying for the latest and dancehall news, musical rules, and gossips. Bless.